out the video, you can click join member video for member video over there. You can click on either icon to donate, and please sure to subscribe, share, like, and donate to my channel if you haven't done so. And always remember, nothing is guaranteed, but always trust yourself. You can email me under my video. There should be an email address under my video. You can email me. So let's look at some simple equations. Now this is a Dster setup, and anybody can do it. This is a Dster setup, anybody can do it. It's a random Dster setup equation. So we have 8, 8, 6, 1, 1, and we have 3 blue blocks, and 9, 7, 5, 6, 1, 6, and 2 blue blocks, and 0, 7, 4, 1, 5, 4, 2, and 1 blue box, and 1, 1, 8, 2, 6, 4, 3, 8, 3. And it's on the X and Y axis with the numbering. So you have, for instance, 2F would be 1. 2F would be 1. Now, for instance, 3, 4, and the 3G would be 4. So that's how you calculate the coordinates of each number. So again, simple math equation, and you can the Dster setup is infinite. You can use any Dster you want, but this is Dster setup now. And how does it work? Let's gonna show you guys how the Dster setup works. So again, to calculate any simple mathematical equations using the Dster setup. So again, you wanna, like, for instance, you want to pick numbers, or you want to do anything, use the Dster setup. So, for instance, let's learn how to pick number from using the simple mathematical equation of the Dster setup. So again, let's how to pick the numbers. So for instance, this whole setup will have numbering from 1 to 99. 1 to 99. So from 1 to 99. So let's do the setup. So again, I'm gonna go pick a section of these. You can pick horizontal or vertical. So let's say I pick horizontal. Let's pick this section of the setup over here. 7, 4, 1. Let's pick this section of the setup. No. I'm gonna pick this section of the setup. And omit this section. Not even the 1. I'm not gonna pick that 1 over there. I'm gonna just pick 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 2. I'm gonna pick the setup on the bottom, and let's input the setup over here. 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 2. So this is setup of that section I pick. Now, in order to format the numbers, you either go from left to right, right to left, up and down, down, up, and diagonal. So again, it goes from 1 to 99. So for instance, you have 0, 1 starts first. 0, 1. You have 0, 7, 0, 8, and 10. Sorry about that. 10. So once you input the setup 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 2, you go for the numbers 0, 1, 0, 7, 0, 8, 10, 17, 18, 'So about the lighting, I gotta open the shades. 24, 27, 28, 42, 47, 48. Now 70, 71, 74, 78, and 72, 80, 81, 82, 84, and 87. So 84 and 87. So you have that much number in the setup. 22 numbers in the setup of that section of the grid you use. Now you're gonna have to line how many numbers are in each digit being used. 0. So for instance, I'm going to copy these numbers 0 to 6. So So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. You calculate how much number uses 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 7, 8, 10, 70, and 80. So you have 6 number that use digit 0. So it appears 10 times, 6 times. Now you go for digit 1, 1, 10, 17, 18, 71, 81. That's 7 times. Digit 2, 24, 27, 28, 42, 72, 82, also 6 times. Now, for 1, let's recalculate. 1, 10, 17, 18, 71, 81. For digit 2, let's recalculate. 24, 27, 28, 42, 72, and 82. Now for the digit 4, 24, 47, 48, 74, and 84. Right? 40, 84, 74, 48, 47, 42, and 24. 6. Now digit 7, you have 7, 17, 27, 70, 47, 71, 74, 78, 72, 87, 10 times. So any number in the middle will have more numbers. 8, 8, 18, 28, 48, 58, 68, 78, 82, 84, and 87, 10 times. Now, if you look at the number, the second highest number digit with the most number combination is the digit 1. Right? And other digit has 6 times. (81, 71, 18, 17, 10, and 1. So 1 is also 6 times, so probably make a mistake So because sometimes you can miscalculate the numbers. So if you have to do it correctly, so you don't miscalculate the numbers. So because every other digit is in the corner, so it shouldn't be any different unless the matrix of a setup doesn't have a number. So if you picked 1, you cannot pick 1. You have to pick 0 and 1. Each number is formed by 2 digits, even 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, and 0, 9. So again, this is the setup from the Dster grid. Calculate number, and you can now, if you do any kind of equations or anything, you can use the setup to do, this setup to do it. So that's how you use it. I'm going to try to do a part 2 of the setup, because after you do the setup, you want to make sure that you do it correctly. And now if you have to guess a number in the setup with the digit 1, you will have 6 times out of 100%. So that means you have 16% chance, 16% of picking this correctly. 16%, around 6 times 16 is almost 100%, 16.33%. But I'm going to round it to 16%. Also for digit 0, you have 16% chance of picking one of those digit 0 correctly. You also have 16% chance of picking the digit 2 correctly, because it occurs 6 times. So 6 out of 100% is almost 16%. Same thing here, 16%. And for digit 7 and digit 8, you have 10% chance of picking the digit 7 correctly, because it occurs 10 times. So and would you rather pick from a number grid with only 10, with more numbers associated with that digit, or less number associated with that digit? Obviously, you have more chance of picking it correctly. You have picking numbers. You have picking numbers that those numbers that associate with those digits have less numbers. So any numbers that associate that digit is fewer than those numbers associated with the other digits, then your chances of picking it correctly increases. So you want to focus on those numbers that you want to pick from, or use. So that's how you calculate the setup. The lower the digit associated with that number, the higher chance you have of picking it correctly out of a hat or out of something, out of a machine, out of a hat. And the number you pick that associated with that digit occur more times, your chance of picking it correctly is low. Now, we're not talking about you have more chance of picking that digit because that digit occurs 10 times. You have 10 chance of picking it. We're talking about picking that number. Talking about that number indirectly. Or directly. So that means if you have to pick 17, if you have number with 6-digit 1, pick it at 17 correctly, you have 16% of picking it. So imagine the hat only have 17, 71, 81, 18, or 17, and 1. Then you only have 1 in 6 chances of picking that 17 correctly. If you're not putting the whole 22 number inside the hat. So if you're putting 22 number inside the hat, then it will be a different scenario. Then there will be 1 in 22 chance of picking each number individual. So if you are picking inside the hat with the digit separately, then your chances of picking that will increase. So now if I want to pick a 17, I won't have 16% of picking the 17. That are associated with the digit 1. If only 6 of these digits are inside the hat only. If they're not, then you have 22 out of 100% chance. You have 100% chance with 22 numbers. You gotta divide that by 22. Roughly 4% to 5% of picking each number if all the numbers are inside the hat. So try to create the part 2 of how to use the Dster grid correctly.